I attended Heal Your Life workshop. It's a powerful, life-changing workshop based on the philosophy of Louise Hay. I'm going to share this phenomenal experience that I had. Louise Hay was a metaphysical lecturer and teacher and the best-selling author of 27 books, including You Can Heal Your Life and Life Reflections on Your Journey. Since beginning her career as a Science of Mind minister in 1981, she has assisted thousands of people in discovering and using the full potential of their own creative powers for personal growth and self-healing. She's the owner and co-founder of Hay House Inc., a publishing company devoted to disseminating books, audios, videos, and other materials that help heal the planet. This workshop is led by Vaishali Naik. Vaishali is a senior talent development professional with 20 plus years experience in people development across. She has done workshop leader certification from Hay House USA, and she is one of the fortunate person to meet Louise Hay personally. And besides this, Vaishali is a warm, loving and caring person. I felt profoundly comfortable in her company. This workshop was co-facilitated by Kavita Alva. She is also a Heal Your Life workshop leader. In this workshop, we got a book named Heal Your Body, which is written by Louise Hay. In this book, there are many ailments mentioned and there are affirmations against the ailments. So we understand what are the negative thought patterns that we dwell into to attract the ailments into our body, to produce the ailments in our body. This book is immensely helpful and I strongly recommend this book to you. We also got this beautiful heart-shaped mirror which we use for mirror technique. In this technique, we learned mirror work, which is powerful technique for helping you learn to love and approve of yourself as well as make wonderful steps forward in life. You need to experience this workshop because I'm falling short of words. The kind of experience that I had, I felt like I'm born again. I am grateful to Louise Hay, Vaishali and Kavita and to each participant. Everyone was supportive and helpful in this workshop. This is another technique which is called affirmation bath technique. We did one meditation which is called inner child healing meditation. This is one ritual that we did by igniting fire. I learned a lot in this workshop. Before this workshop, I used to do affirmations, however, it was completely mechanical. I learned how to use affirmations. I learned how to choose love, joy and freedom. I learned how to claim my magnificence. There were no judgments, no critics. I felt like family here. I felt the warmth, love, care. And I'm feeling really blissful after this workshop. After completing this workshop, I have discovered how to love myself, how to accept myself, forgive myself. I feel free, whole and complete.